Oh.
Nakikita na rin mo.
Prenup ba to?
Practice daw.
Kiss na? Again. Uy! Isa pa. Again, hindi na record.
Start our first game para matapos ng maaga, para makapagsampol, manalo sila sa Garwin at sa Manji. So, bili ko natin kasi iro-iro yung magkuha nila. So, start na. So, first game, Amras, ito Amras. Yes, I always need you. It's your day.
Kunin niya si Raya, baka mana ka. Uy, bigyan mo ba lang yung heart? Makalimutan ko may bata.
It's okay. Diba, galing pa man tayo sa pagkain naman natin. So, by rules, every first game is always upo lang, hindi lang. Tapos may kakaroon lang simple na bagay. Pero Mangras, I need you. You need to be here. Ay, nag-retouch pa pala. So, ito muna guys. Ay, bago na lang muna yung rules. Yung first game, ang name ng first game is, kaya since birthday man ni Ma'am Russell is, the title of the first game is Getting to Know Ma'am Russell. All about Ma'am Russell. Third question, may manalo, may tama, may mali. If ever magkamali kayo, automatically out na kayo for the remaining of the game. Okay? Yes. Until last man standing. So, sino yung game 1 lang, game 1. Every game, last man standing, every question, every row, automatically out. Okay? Kasi if ever matalo, automatically inom din yung cocktail ni Joel or yung beer. Sila ka man yung exception, Mr. Darwin ang iinom. 2 lies, 1 truth. Okay, example. Ay, halapin pala yung totoo. Ngayon is 2 lies, 1 truth. First round is 2 lies, 1 truth. Second round is 2 truths, 1 lie. But the first round muna, first round is 2 lies, 1 truth. Example, I have never had 80 walks, but hindi pa ako nakapag-walks ever.
Okay.
Second, I go to the gym before work each day. I go to the gym before work each day. Third, I still sleep with a stuffed animal at night. There are 2 lies, 1 truth. Find the truth. Okay? First, I flirted my way out of a speeding ticket. 2, I once joined a singing competition. 3, I always made fun of my brothers and sisters. Saan doon yung truth? Tanong, for example, sino yung, ano na yung pass out?
Nag-seminar na naman.
So, 2 lives guys, 2 lives, 2 lives.
Kaya umabot ng 2 hours yung video ko ba? Umabot ng
2 lives, okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up. So, up. So, the correct answer, Mangras?
I always made fun of my brother.
Iba? So, -1 pa. Ay, hindi ka mali. First, I sleep very still. If ever daw matulog si Mama Marcel, ganun. Dito siya gumagala. Second, I know how to swim. Marunong daw lumangoy si Mama Marcel. Every time. Third, kasi may nagtatanong. Third, I kissed someone of the same sex. Up. Sagot mo, Ras?
Very still.
Wala na ako.
Never, hindi marunong lumangoy si Mama Marcel. Hindi pa din siya nakapag-kiss ng same sex. Lower back. I have a tattoo on my lower back. Second, I was once part of a church choir. Third, I learned how to play a guitar when I was 11 or 12 years old. 3, 2, 1, up. Sir na.
Russell, pasok.
Oh, na. Yolo na si Sir. 1, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3.
Hindi ka na.
Halika na. So, Mom Ras, anong tama?
I learned how to play guitar.
out na si Sir. 3, I have a secret talent for seduction.
Nay.
Paano?
1, again. So next, second round. So second round is 2 truths and 1 lie.
No.
So dalawa yung totoo, isa yung lie. Hanapin yung lie. Find the lie. Find the lie. Find the lie. Okay. So first, I poop on every mall in my hometown.
Parang si Justin.
I once joined an open mic singing event.
Parang hindi nga siya nagtatin, no?
3, one of my videos on Instagram went viral. So the correct answer, find the lie.
One of my videos on Instagram and
So,
No, but perfect na
si
eh.
Ma'am Russell. Nakain na si Ma'am Russell sa
Lahat ng mall.
Wow. Second, naka-join na siya ng open mic. So, out na si Ma'am Lea at saka si Ma'am Jen.
Uy,
So,
Martin.
natira na lang Ma'am Jalen, Ma'am Jasmine, Ma'am Rose, Sir Jason at saka si Joan. Joan, out na. So, 4 na lang. 4 remaining.
pa ako.
My very first kiss is at the age of 20. Very first kiss at the age of 20. Number 2, I've skinny dipped before, but naligo na sa beach ng nakahubad. 3, when I was in my first year of college, I played soccer as a goalkeeper. Baligon dito mo. Ayaw hindi nyo ma-explain sa mga goalkeeper. So find the lie, ha? Find the lie. Find the lie. So first kiss Ma'am Russell is 20 years old. There are all 3 questions left, okay? So if ever Ma'am Jazz,
Complete the show.
until end, kayo same pa rin yung points. 2-2. So out
So cute
automatically
show.
silang dalawa yung maglalaban for yung final round. So dapat, i-pray mo na mamali sila. Kasi 1 point na 2-2 sila.
Isaya ang prayer.
Patalo ka na.
So, fifth.
Magpatalo ka na, Jess. Magaling ka sa mga games na
Okay, again. So, find the lie. So,
Ano yung number 2?
Number 2, I once tried going to the gym and did not come. Up!
Ay.
Up! 2 at 3. 2 at 3. Oh, may ma-out na. Woo! May ma-out na. Kayo magdalawa ang ma-out. If ever ma-out kayong dalawa, so panalo si Maraza. So yung 10 euro ngayon for the first game, mapupunta sa Neo, mapupunta siya sa second game. Sino manalo ng second game? 20 euro.
Dapat how? Dapat
No. Bigyan na lang kita. So ano yan?
Final
3, 2, may 5. Tamang sagot?
Ano yan?
I once wrote a love letter to someone.
Yes. Totoo yung JS prom, tatlo yung
Ay,
kasayaw
na
niya.
yung una.
Kumakata na ng fine, tapos nalulog na si Mama.
Ba yan?
So, out.
Sayang
Wala
yan.
mo.
Ako yung tama kasi di
So, si Ma'am Russell na nanalo. So, yung 10 euro, additional sa second game. Okay?
Dapat happy na yan.
Ang total again is Singing Bonanza.
Wala na ko
Singing Bonanza. Bali,
Talo na ako niyan. Talo na ako niyan. Video na lang.
Bali, before nag-start itong party, ginanong ko si Ma'am Russell yung mga favorite songs niya. Tapos yung mga favorite songs niya, bali may ipapa-sounds ako dito. Tapos yung sasabihin niya lang is yes or no.
Ay, meron siyang video na ganyan. Panoorin niyo.
Pero dito ka na.
Subscribe.
Need ka na dito. Sample ba na? Sample ba na? So, pwede na yun kasi sample naman. Supposedly, may time kayo mag-design.
Ay, kung may kinakanta niyo
Okay, go na. 1, 2, 3, up. Yes or no? Favorite or no? So, write yes, write yes, write yes, write yes, write yes, write yes. Okay. Tamang sagot? Yes, favorite. Pero hindi top 10.
Ay, yan pala.
Okay lang ang top 10.
Yes!
Shit.
Sabi ko top 10! At least tayo, alam. Kung sinabi ko top 10! How dare you? Video, video! Yes or no, okay? Tawakan mo. Pumunta ka sa chorus ni Trevor. Bakit ka sa chorus? Ay, Trevor, pumunta ka, yes.
Pag wrong, out na lang.
Trevor na!
Hindi ang damdamin.
Uy!
Hindi pa yan, hindi pa
Ay,
yan.
pala yan.
Oo, hala. Yan, top 10.
Dito eh.
Ay, hindi, no. No.
Favorite song niya.
Ha?
Favorite song niya.
Yes?
Sa mga nag-yes, tama yung mga one
Yay.
okay? Wala nang one life na lang. So si Kuya, si Pati, at saka si Ma'am Rose. Okay? 4, 3, 2, 1, up! No, yes, 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 Sister Darwin! Tanongin mo, Sister Darwin! Yes. No, not favorite song. So yung mistake, Sister Darwin, 1 point na lang, Sister Darwin!
Ang favorite. Mga indie.
So decide, 5, ready, there you go!
Pasensya ka
No! So si Sir JL at saka si Ma'am Angie na lang ang natitira, okay? Sir JL at saka si Ma'am Angie. If ever manalo si Sir Jan, alam ka naman na ibigay kay Sir Jan yung panalo. So, next na naman. No. Dapat magpatalo si Sir Jan para si Ma'am Angie yung maka-receive ng ganyan. Pero if ever hindi magpatalo si Sir Jan, automatically yung 20.
Baka pwede ibigay na lang sa mascara na ilang.
Ever hindi matalo ni Ma'am Angie si Sir Jan, yung 20 euro plus 20 sa next game, 30 euro. No.
Panalo. Sino panalo?
Kasi sinadjudge ako pag walang hindi ko nabibigay yung pera. The nerve of the people. Hindi na favorite. So, Ma'am Ange, welcome to Cardio! So, the winner of the season is Ma'am Angie. So, Ma'am Angie and Ma'am Raz, take a picture. Picture.
Ah, 5 ko yun. She feels me. She feels me. She feels
Uy, sino mag-picture? Uy.
O, Mana, saan yung phone mo?
Da.
I'm so happy for you.
Is Wow Game. Alam niyo yung kanta na ito?
Hindi.
Wait lang.
Hindi. Answer na hindi.
Hindi. Yung title ng game is Wow Game. Tapos ito na kanta. Bali, may dalawa ka, 2 groups.
Ay, yung parang...
Bali, every...
Parang alam ko yan, Jels.
May beat man, di ba?
Ah.
Tapos yung gagawin, example, kung same direction ng pintilingan out. If ever hindi same, chance mo na bumawi. Sino mag-aaral?
Yeah.
By dapat i-timing sa beat ha.
Kasi pa na time, no?
Oh.
Ako magaganda. Nauna pala.
Sige lang. Next pa, Ma'am Leia. Ay, mayroon pa lang. Ginam, go. Go, Ma'am Leia, go. Okay, Ma'am Jazz. Next, di, ikaw pa. Mag-try. Ikaw na, next. Ikaw na. Oh. Salitan.
Kasi
Go.
pag out na, ay...
Again. Ikaw muna, Ma'am Leia. Again. 1, 2. Si Ma'am Jasmine next. Ma'am Leia ulit. Ikaw ulit. Okay, may. Okay, Ma'am Jazz. Matagal to. Oh, kaya one.
Sige, kayo na lang.
Oh, go!
See you tomorrow, guys.
Leto!
See you guys at Bear Fest.
Okay, go!
Laban.
No, yan, no.
Laban na yan.
Out yung go, sige, next! Ikaw ulit umiya. Out yung CDL, oh, yan! Until maubos, okay?
Sino mang winner?
Okay?
Ha? Sino mang winner?
May times na hindi may times na diretso-diretso.
Sino magiging winner niyan?
Natira natin. Tapos after nun, second round, kayo na maglalaban kung sinong group.
Matay pa ako dito.
Tayo automatically ha.
Siya yung mag-ano.
Siya, magaling.
Sampalan ha, wala sampalan.
Okay, go Ma'am Jan, amalas.
Looking at you, drip.
Okay, go, Sir Jan. Ay, out ka, tama yun. Hindi, ikaw. Oh.
Magpapalit na.
Hindi, ikaw pa rin. Continue.
Ako rin mag-direction na siya.
Siya, ikaw mas nanalo kanina, so ikaw ang direction. Go. One, go.
Yan na.
Okay. Go, Madi. Ikaw na, Madi. Direction. Okay, go. Ulit. Ikaw ulit. Okay, go. Go, Madi. Okay, out. Sir kayo. Next. Madi. Mag-time ka. Nag-loading. Ano yung direction? Go, Madi. Go again, go. Out, Ma'am Jan. Go. Hindi, siya. Out, go. Okay, ikaw man. 1, 2. Out, okay, next. Ikaw pa rin. Go. Ikaw man.
Kaya mo!
Oh, ikaw, Ma'am Lia. Go man.
Looking at you, drip.
Okay, Ma'am Lia ulit. Okay, Ma'am Lia.
Tagalan nyo.
Okay, Ma'am Lia ulit.
Her breath is like,
Okay.
wanna dance.
Labanan niyo, guys. Okay, yung video daw, yung video.
When I hit the
Go, man.
hit the wall.
Okay, ikaw, Ma'am, ikaw.
Hit you with the wall.
Okay, Ma'am, Chol? Yes, Chol.
Me,
Okay, Ma'am, Char.
her booty flat.
Okay, Ate Char. Ikaw, ganyan.
Looking at you, drip.
Okay, Ate Char.
Look at me, I'm killing it.
Okay, Char.
And I'm killing that.
Out, Ma'am. Lahat ng Sir Jason na lang. Go, Char.
Ako malagay yan.
Wait, so ang nakira dito, Sir Jason. Ma'am Jen, dito tatlo pa. Ay, apat pa dito.
Wala na,
2 versus 4. 2 versus 4. Go.
Galingan doon sa akin.
Go, Char. Out! Out ka na! Go! Wait lang. So next. Go, Kuchar. Okay, dito.
Hindi ko naman si Bakla.
Breath is like,
Russell. So second round.
Buti na lang
So second round. Yan.
Second round.
Pinakahuli ka ni Ma'am Leia. After ni Ma'am Ras, Ma'am Chari, Ma'am Masikuya, at saka si Mana. Ready?
Wala na. Talo ka na.
One.
By default yun. By default. Magkaban sila sila.
Go!
Ako na.
Pwede, kahit anong motion, basta may direction. Si Ma'am Ras mag-start. Ay, kayo mag-start. Kayo mo tatlo. Ay, ikaw mag-ganon. Go!
my drip. Looking at you, drip. Whoa.
Okay, Ma'am Ras.
Look at me, I'm killing it. Whoa.
Di, siya na. As alternate na to. Again. Si Ma'am Russell.
Her breath is like,
Ikaw mag-ganon.
but she don't know how to move.
Okay, ready?
Ooh, looking like a star.
Out si Ma'am Ras. Ma'am Jo.
Don't have no
Uy, kayo kasama.
when I hit the three, I hit the wall.
Ikaw pa rin.
Hit you with the wall.
Next.
She don't like me.
Oh, okay na.
Na-hypnotize sila.
Okay, ikaw kuya.
Killing it.
Okay! Ikaw.
But her is like,
Again, ikaw kuya.
Jawan, jawan.
hit the wall.
Again. Go.
Hit you with the wall.
Okay, go at Maria. Ikaw na.
She don't like me.
Okay, kuya.
On the gram, but her booty flat. Woo.
Uy, masimulat.
I'm killing
Kuya.
Wala ba yung
Go.
and I'm killing that.
Okay, ikaw kuya.
It's like,
Okay, ikaw kuya.
know how to woo.
Okay, ikaw kuya.
Looking like a star. Woo.
Okay, ikaw kuya.
Tara ba?
No panties. Woo.
Okay, ulit kuya.
Hit the woo.
Okay, ulit kuya.
Hit you with the woo.
Okay, kuya.
Ano wala ko tapos sa timer, ganyan.
Okay, wala. Atin yun. Meron mangyayari dyan. Okay?
Tagal naman!
Look at me. Oh, I'm killing it.
Okay? Go. Okay.
Tapusin nyo na, nangangalay na ako!
Tagal!
Okay.
Looking like a star.
Okay. Manjari. Kuya, ikaw kuya. Ready?
One time.
Go kuya.
Messy. Oh, she don't like me.
Okay?
Flexing on the gram.
Okay? Tatlo na lang sila. Si Kuya, Ma'am Ruth, at saka si Ma'am Ana. Ma'am Ruth, at saka Ma'am Ana. Kayo muna una. Nanalo mo sila dito. Ay, andito ka rin?
Apat sila.
Ah, so kayo na lang dalawa. Oh, one-on-one.
Diretso rin eh.
One-on-one.
May bata, panalo lang.
Akin na! Si ano na kaya?
Okay.
Para makapag-ibigay. Ito lang, para manalo. Ay,
Sino mo na siya?
Ate, kanina ko.
Kuya, wag kang Si, ikaw naman. Ikaw naman. Ikaw na. Ikaw kuya.
Hindi, may bata.
Kuya, wag na. Baka isang beses lang yan. Go, Ma'am Ana, go.
Meron ko na.
Siya, Ma'am Ana.
Looking like a star.
Okay, kuya.
Ooh, bitch don't have no panties. Woo.
Okay.
When I hit the three, I hit the woo.
Okay, wala. Ay, mo siya.
Me,
Ikaw kuya. Ikaw.
gram, but her booty flat. Woo.
So, picture, kuya, at saka mag-ras. Picture, kuya.
Sino ko dyan po?
Don't have no panties.
So, 1 point sa kay kuya at saka si Ma'am Hans.
Hit the woo.
Kaya na. Winning for the 30 euro.
Thank you. Sponsor.
Fourth game is very simple. Kayong lahat versus Ma'am Russell. Okay? Kayong lahat versus Ma'am Russell. Title ng game is Whitney Houston Challenge. Alam niyo yung ito na kanta? Yung may part na sino yung first na makapag-try na say, wait lang, I will tell you. Pwede ba? Then may pause. If ever matimin mo, kung same na ganon sa kamay mo, automatic yung manalo ka. Okay? Like ganyan lang. Okay? Trial. So si Ma'am Ras, go Ma'am Ras. Trial Ma'am Ras. Yes. So again. You try it Ma'am Ras. narinig yun. Again. Wait, ako, I will try ah. Ay, so dapat same. If ever sino makasame, automatically manalo na. Okay? Okay? That twist. Alam ko, nagbilang na kayo sa isip nyo ngayon. Alam ko, huli kayo. I made another. May ginawa ako na parang pause somewhere in between there. Di ko siya... Basta may tatlong video ko na same na ganun, pero may kanya-kanyang kailan siya mag-pause.
Ang galing naman ni Johnson, uy.
Kanya-kanyang pause. So, now, I know na magbibilang kayo sa tanang practice. So, Ma'am Ras, oh, basta ikot na si Ma'am Ate Janine, si Ma'am Janalyn. Ayan, ganun na, ganun. Okay. Good? So,
And I wish you joy and happiness.
ay, sorry guys, daw. So, simple lang. Ganun lang ha. Ganun lang.
I wish you love.
Malapit na. Diyan na.
Perfect!
Oh, wala na silang klase, pero di man niya kukunin yung gano'n yun. So, next.
Kukunin man yan.
Ako na kukunin.
Meron siyang ano na ata siya.
Ikaw ang last. Basta yun. Nag-game.
May isang coffee na lang yan.
So, nakuha na yung last, pero... So next, sinong gusto mag-try? Hindi na...
I wish you love.
Ako dyan.
Gusto na nila kumanta ng chorus ba?
Wala.
Huwag niyo sumayaw.
I wish you
Ayun!
Wala.
I wish you
Ikaw daw. Atas ka konti mong dyan kasi ganun ka. Go na.
Serious naman! Oy!
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Pero guys, sayang naman kung puputulin natin natin. So continue. If ever naman another 10 euro.
Perfect.
Go, Ma'am Jazz. Pero may 2 points na si Ma'am Angie. So running na for winning the 30 euro si Ma'am Angie.
Ulat naman ako.
Ay, haba naman yung post na yan.
Dapat kasi may emotion siya pagkapanalo kasi si Ma'am Angie. Di pa ganun talaga.
Wala. 6, 6. 1, 2, 3,
Go!
6. Ayun, 7 ulit, 7. 7 ang kapti.
Volleyball. 2, 4. Good for
Sayang kayo mga pakailan niyo tumaman. Hoy, tatlo ang pasok ko ha. Tatlo.
Yan na. Sige, nagbubol. 7, tama dyan. 7. Go, Ma'am Char. Ayun na.
Wish you joy and happiness. But above all this, I wish you love.
Go, Ma'am Char.
3, 4, 5.
Hindi lang kasama. Hindi lang ka-score.
I wish you
Yan na. Pag-focus ka daw ito, internalize.
Bataan ako ng uyas. 2.
go. Go or 5, 6.
pwede ka din yung Russell. Kung sinabi niyo yung Russell, tama.
Tama kan.
Kung sabi niyo yung Russell, go.
Okay na.
Ay, may kasi may video.
6 yan.
Pero pili ko rin.
Ako, Gilwin.
Hindi, pasok na.
Pasok ka na.
Pasok siya.
Oo.
Hindi, hindi.
Pasok!
O, sige, go. Guys, hindi ko to pera. Pera to niyo yung Russell. Pag sinabi niyo yung Russell, panalo, hindi panalo.
Hindi, ako kanina sabi na bibigay yung 5-0. You're ready na.
Kasi yung...
Hoy, hoy. Ano sinabi niya? Accept defeat. Tapos tayo.
Never kasi pwede yung hati. Dapat, oh, Ma'am Rose, go, Ma'am Rose. Let's continue the game.
Kaliwa, kaliwa. Kaliwa.
Pili ko lang.
Ay na, ay na.
Wala.
7.
Ano kahit pa ba?
Ay, sorry. Go, go.
6 yan.
Nagbilang. Hindi niya alam. 4 pa lang. Patay tayo.
Sorry, yan, 4-4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ito, bigat to na number sa inyo. Buddy, ikaw ba gusto mo mag-try? Gusto mo mag-try ito. Tingnan mo sige dyan. Buddy,
Ay, wag mo biyakin ha.
Kombi.
Hindi niya maiwan.
Ay, wala. Uy, pwede i-shoot mo pa. I-shoot mo pa rin.
Hoy, marami
Uy.
na pera si Ate.
Go, buddy!
Kaya ka na. 1, 2.
Geda yun. Bag. Wala. Sir Darwin. Winner, Sir Darwin.
Hoy, hindi naman siya ang pagkakit. Ay, siya si Ate.
Hindi lang.
Sila na dalawa na. Oh, 3,
2,
5,
6, 7. Ay, wala pa rin.
Nanalo sa game ito, si Ma'am Angie, si Joan. So si Ma'am Angie may 2 points, si Joan may 1 point, si Kuya may 1 point. So last game, if ever hindi manalo si Joan at saka si Kuya, si Ma'am Angie ang manalo ng 30 euros.
Oy.
30,000 pesos. Okay? Balikan tayo ito is yung ginawa natin na laro kina Ma'am Angie. Yung hands down. Tapos pag sabi ko ng 1, 2, 3, tingin sa kahit kanino. If
Ay.
ever may katinginan ka, out na kayo automatically.
Oh, may katinginan.
Ay, katinginan. Out. Yung goal dapat wala kang katinginan. Hindi. Dapat sa kahit kanino, katabi, harap, basta titingin sa gilid or yung sa front. Okay? Sample, kung may katinginan ka, automatically out until last matira. Okay? So,
Sa baba.
yung bali hands down lahat. Hands down. Hands down. Hands down. Then ready. Pag sabi ko 1, 2, 3, up. Pag up, tingin kahit kanino naman.
Try mo na, try.
Try mo na. Pwede kahit katabi. It's okay. Hindi. Tao naman ang tingnan. Close your eyes. Hands down. Tapos pag 1, 2, 3. Tapos pag open ng eyes, tingin kahit kanino na tao. Okay, ready? Kaya. 1, 2, 3, tingin. Oh, ay, wag bata kuya. Wag bata kuya. So, again, wag bata. If ever may katinginan kayo, automatically out. Kaya. Trial. Again, ready? One, trial. 1, 2, 3. Down, 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 down. Ready? One, trial. Tingin natin sa akin. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Up. Tingin. What? What? Slow mo, di pa niya. Ang mag-check out, automatically yan. Ang mag-check out. Walang cheating, okay? If ever may katinginan kayo, automatically out. Okay, ready? Last trial. Ready? 1, down, and down, and down, and down, and down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, tingin. So wala. So wala na. Anes lang, hindi anes. Ready? Okay, down. So, game na ha, game na. Ready? Now ready? 1, 2, 3. Tingin.
Nakakatakot naman yung mga tingin.
Ready? Down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tingin.
Wala talaga dito.
Tingin.
Mahuhuli pa na lalo.
So next rule. Next rule is the same. Next. Okay.
Tulong kami dyan.
Tulungan mo kami. Tulong. Dapat walang manalo sa game na to. Ready. Down and down. Ready. 1.
Anong rules?
Same. Sa harap. Bawal yung 2. Okay. Ready. 1. And down. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Tingin. Down. Memorize din ha. Kung sino tinignan ni Pagin, sino tinignan ni Mali. Okay. Ready. Down and down. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Tingin.
O, di na ako si Russell.
Alam namin. So again, and down. So dyan, mamaya ba? Magpili ka ng isang tao. I-memorize mo kung every time kung sino yung tinitingnan. Ikaw din sa Dar. Ikaw din naman. Compress, Sir Pali. Mga anak. Okay, ready? Down. And down. So natitira 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 na lang. Ready? Go. Go. Joke lang mo. Go. It's down. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Tingin. Okay.
Parang lastig kami. Hindi, nauna siya tingin pero nito tumingin siya sa akin.
Sure? Kasi dyan natingnan kita. Out mo, Angie! Out is Regine!
Nag-briefing ka! Wala briefing na eh.
Ay, hindi ka daw. So, yung natira, di ba? Apat na lang. Hands down. Ready, 1. 1, 2, 3. Tingin. Ana at saka si Jong.
Alam man, alam man ako, nakatingin sa akin.
So, since
Nakatingin sa
dalawa na
akin.
kayo, may pinipera ko ng for-time game. Wait. Hawakan mo dalawang balon. Mamanawakan mo dalawang balon naman ha. May parang
Natalo mo yan. Tukin mo yan. Tukin mo.
pero nakatalikod. Nakatalikod. Tapos pag sabi ko bato, pick. Ganun kayo? Or ano pa? Tapos bibigyan ko kayo ng another 3. Pwede kayo mag-change or hindi.
Para saan to?
3 lives. Okay? 3 lives. Every time na manalo si Ma'am Just, si Ma'am Ana, so ako po. Si Ma'am Russell, puputukin yung balloon. Okay? Until maubos. If ever ito yung pinaka-uli na putukin. If ever yung mga putok na yung heart, so meaning out na, yung nanalo yung natira yung heart. Okay? So, bali, bato, pick, trial. So, talikod. So, ready? Bato, pick. Ilagay nyo sa babalak.
Na-nervous mo.
Okay. May babag na Ma'am Ana. Bato, pick. Okay. So, will you mag-change if ever? Ready? Bato, pick. Pag sabi ko pick, pwede kayo mag-change if ever, pwede din hindi, okay?
Hindi na sila nag-change.
So, kung hindi nag-change yan yan, so ready, 1, 2, 3, talikod? Talikod, Mamana? So, panalo si Mamana, so putok yung balloon ni Joel. No, trial pa. Trial pa, oh, yun yung parang pilihan. Okay? Ready na si Mamana, so pumutok po. Ang panalo na sa 30 euro, si Ma'am Angie, okay? So, ready? Mamana, Joan, love, ready, bato, pick. So, ready? Ready to change? Bato, pick. Sige, ready? Abo. Si Ma'am Ana ang nanalo. Good day. So, Ma'am Ana, nanalo na 10 euro. So, picture naman. Wait lang. So, Ma'am Ana, Ma'am Ras, picture together. The bato pick plus heads down, bow down. Ay, yung mga pala. Madami kasi.
Thank you so much for the time or
So, our very own champion for the birthday of Ma'am Russell, our very own Ma'am Russell, 30th birthday, si Ma'am Angie! So, 2 points, winning overall taking so Ma'am Angie, MVP of the day, Ma'am Angie, so, so, yung manalo ni Ma'am Angie in this 50 euro. So, picture, Ma'am Russell, at saka si Ma'am Angie. That's after niya, our pang-finale na picture, okay? Before and after. Okay, picture guys, before and after.